Traditional dishes of Himachal Pradesh. Channa Madra is a Himachali style curry where chickpeas are cooked in a yogurt sauce along with spices. Most of the time it is prepared in Himachal's traditional function called dham and is eaten along with rice and other similar delicacies. Serve Himachali channa with steamed rice and kachumber salad for a perfect meal. The Channa Madra is a delicious creamy curry and the use of yogurt and flour gives it a thick consistency. Dham is a traditional food festival celebrated in the Indian state of Himachal Pradesh. Dham is prepared and served on every joyful event or celebration in the family. Temples also serve dham on most of the religious festivals or auspicious dates. Himachali food varies from region to region. A typical dham usually comprises about 7 to 8 dishes, which are prepared in pot-shaped copper vessels called charoti. Whatever be the number, half of the spread of dishes are prepared using dal. The three types of dal must be chana dal, tur dal and makhi dal. Tudkiya Bhat is a type of rice dish which is made in Himachal Pradesh. It is made with rice, lentils and freshly ground spices. Freshly ground spices paste gives it a very nice aroma. It is a delight to eat this flavorful rice. Adding lentils make it high in protein and increase its nutritional value. Famous temples and pilgrims of Himachal Pradesh. Jwalamukhi Temple, located in Kangra Valley in Himachal Pradesh, is famous and is considered extremely sacred for Hindu devotees. This place is known for being a temple that doesn't house any idol, and the worshippers pay respect to the flame inside the temple, which is believed to be the manifestation of goddess Jwalamukhi. It is one of the 51 Shaktipitas where goddess Sati's tongue fell. The temple consists of a copper pipe from which natural gas is emitted, and priests of the temple lit it to produce flawless blue flame. A total of 9 flames are ignited in the temple, which represents and also named after the 9 goddess Mahakali, Annapurna, Chandi, Hinglaj, Vidya, Basni, Mahalakshmi, Saraswati, Ambiga and Anji Devi, which burn every day without fail. Hidimba Devi Temple, locally known as Duhanghri Temple, also known variously as the Hidimba Devi Temple, is located in Manali, a hill station in the state of Himachal Pradesh in North India. It is an ancient cave temple dedicated to Hidimbi Devi, wife of Bhima, a figure in the Indian epic Mahabharata. The temple is surrounded by a cedar forest called Duhanghri Van Vihar at the foot of Himalayas. The sanctuary is built over a huge rock jutting out of the ground, which was worshipped as an image of the deity. The structure was built by Maharaja Bahadur Singh in 1553. The forest cover around Hidimba Devi Temple is impressively thick, sunlight failing to touch the ground at many places. No wonder that the presiding deity of the temple is also known as the forest goddess or the goddess of nature. On a typical summer day, you will find sneaking queues of devotees in and around the temple complex, while devotees from all over the country are a regular here. Locals pray to the goddess mostly in case of a natural calamity. Religion and culture of Himachal Pradesh. The population of Himachal Pradesh consists of a middle of tribes, all speaking their own language. Some of them are Ghadis, Gujars, Kinauris, Lahulis and Pangwalis. The majority of the people are of Aryan stock with expectation-like inhabitants of Lahul and Spiti, who are distinctly of Mongol origin. Perhaps the most exotic among them are the Kinauris, known for their extraordinary beauty and ornate jewelry.